Welcome back, YouTube. Once again here with FatGuyBuilds. Thanks for coming and checking out my videos. We're just going to do a simple air cleaner replacement. We're going to take our Explorer ST and give it a K&N filter for higher flow and more horsepower. And it's washable and I don't have to buy them ever again. So let's just get to it. Here's the part number for the filter. First things first, we need to pull these clips to get to the old air filter. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen this clamp and remove this hose. Now we have the access to lift up the box like so. Pull out this air filter. Throw that in the garbage. Then you grab your K&N filter, slide it in, line it up with the hole. It'll be easier to do it with two hands, but see how fast I got it done with one hand. Now you go ahead, make sure the little fingers go in the holes in the back, and then fold it down. Push these little metal clips to clip the top back down to the bottom. Reconnect this hose to the box. Tighten this clamp down with a screwdriver. That's all there is to changing the air filter on a 2020 and newer Ford Explorer ST. Till next time, guys, wrench on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and all that happy horse crap.